Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito, mga kapatid kong star viewers? Ano ang balita sa inyo? Please leave your comment below. How are you? Kamusta kayo? At ano ang ganap ng buhay ninyo? Share your story and pasensya na kung hindi man lahat ma-respond ko agad and please be more patient any of my tarot reading videos, guys. And maraming salamat po sa mga tumatangkilik at mga subscribers ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. Salamat, mga kapatid. I'm sorry, medyo nabubulol na. And yeah, medyo magmamadali muna ako dito sa reading kasi magluluto pa ako and may work pa ako mamaya. And so ang reading natin, mga kapatid, is may tao na gustong maging katulad mo. And dahil siya ay inspired, no? Alamin natin kung sino tong taong ito. Na gustong kopyahin ka, meron naman dito na kopyahin ka, or it's just that this person is really inspired about you. No? So, kung gusto mo makilala kung sino tong taong ito, din alamin natin. Alright? My spirit guide angels, sino itong tao na gustong ma-inspired or na-inspired sa ating mga collective? Sino itong tao na na-inspired sa ating mga collective? Who is this person? Okay, so Ace of Pentacles. Oh, there's like it could be related sa inyong trabaho, no? Katrabaho ninyo, ka-business ninyo, or related sa inyong finances. I'm also getting like the universe, no? The universe is really proud of you. The universe is sending you a communication, a message that you guys, okay, this is about inspirational, right? So there will be like a new, an opening door, an opportunity for you about finances. Wow. So, lalong ma-inspired talaga ang taong ito because you are receiving so much financially support from the universe. Kaya ang taong ito ay inspired sa iyo because you are good. You are attracting so many, nag-attract kayo. Pasensya na, guys, ha, kung medyo Inglesera ang peg dahil alam ko meron dito na dumudugo na yung tenga sa pakinig, ano? So, I'll do my best, mga kapatid, na magtagalog dito. So, people, itong mga tao sa paligid niyo or someone, no, na na-inspired siya sa inyo because kayo itong mga tao na you are good, magaling ka na humawak ng pera, or ikaw itong tao na nag-a-attract palagi ng good finances. Maganda ang kita ninyo or kinikita ninyo or business-minded ka siguro or negosyante ka, no? So this person, itong taong ito ay gustong malaman niya kung ano ba talaga, no? Ano ang, or saan ka humuhugot, no? Na nag-i-improve itong finances ninyo kasi meron dito sa inyo na lalong nag-i-improve ang inyong finances. Nagkakaroon ng, I don't know, like, kaluwagan or naging maluwag na, no? Meron dito sa inyo na, especially whenever you watch this reading, this is collective and timeless. This is meant to find you. Lalo na kung mapanood ito ng 1 month from now, a week from now, whenever time you watch this reading or you see this reading, no? This is meant to find you. So may mensahe para sa iyo dito. Lalo na when it comes to your finances, mga kapatid. You will be blessed dahil meron ditong magbubukas na opportunity sa iyo when it comes to your finances. Okay? Tanggapin mo itong tulong na binibigay ni universe para sa iyo. A new beginning, a new start, a new journey. Blessed ka when it comes to your finances from the universe. And that's why, kaya itong ibang mga tao sa iyo ay gustong malaman anong sikreto mo. But behind the scene, only the universe, sa kay universe ka humuhugot. And sa universe lang din ang tumutulong sa iyo financially. Kaya lagi kang binibless ng universe, no? When it comes to your finances, yung iba dito. It doesn't have to be na napakamayaman mo. Meron naman siguro ito na financially abundant, no, mapera or maganda ang takbo ng iyong finances, negosyante, no, or sa trabaho mo maganda, no, maganda ang, or siguro malaki. Meron siguro ito magre-raise ng something about na sa sahod ninyo. Baka may tataas na sahod or lalaki ang income or lalaki pa ang kikitain mo whenever you watch this reading because it's an opportunity, no? Opportunity ito na binibigyan ng universe para sa iyo financially. Kaya ang mga taong ito ay gustong kopyahin ka o gustong malaman, no? Inspired sila sa iyo or mayroon naman dito na nosy, no? Gustong malaman or kopyahin ka kasi meron tong good people, meron naman ng I don't know, ambisyosa, no? Ambisyoso or like again inspired for you, no? Yeah, meron kasi dito na instead na inspired sa iyo, kaya lang parang gumagawa na lang sila ng issue. Ginagawa kanilang naging negative person, no? Sabihin natin na maganda ang trato mo sa kanila, kaya lang these people sees you na napakahambog naman ng taong 'yan. Napakaano naman ng taong ito, anong tawag nito, hambog or something like that when it comes to your finances dahil mas magaling pa or maganda yung or maangat, no? Mas angat ka pa kaysa sa kanila. And this some people, very few, no? Kunti lang na they're made it up a story about you dahil inggit ba, no? Sa finances mo. Dahil angat ka pa sa kanila instead na i-lift up kanila or mag-message na lang sila sa iyo na anong sekreto mo, no? Or just be friend with you na in a good way. Hindi yung kaibiganin ka lang dahil gusto lang nilang malaman kung anong sekreto mo. Then after that, behind your back, pinag-uusapan ka lang nila or gagawa lang ng storya dahil sa pagiging successful mo when it comes to your finances or whatever you do about your finances. Kasi meron itong nag-i-evolve May opportunity sa inyo. Lagi kang, meron kasi dito na parang lagi kang binibigyan ng pabor ni universe when it comes to your finances. Okay? Because you are a hardworking person. Pinaghihirapan mo to. Pinagtatrabahuan mo to kahit anong hirap, dagok ang iyong na-experience. Because you deserve this. That's why the universe sees you. No? Nakikita ni universe ang iyong pagiging hardworking person. Yeah. Pinagtatrabahuan mo ito ng maayos, nang wala kang sinasaktang tao, nang wala kang, it's like you're not doing, wala kang ginagamit na tao, or wala kang ini-scam na tao, para lang kumikita. Because you are doing your job, you are doing your business financially, whatever you do, sa tamang paraan. And that's why the universe give you an opportunity financially. May nagbubuhos sa inyo na financially na sa negosyo, mas kumikita ka pa. Meron naman dito na when it comes to your sahod, no, na may raise, no, tumataas ang sahod mo or mas lumalaki pa ang kinikita mo, something mo sa finances mo na you will be feeling like it's like hard work pays off for you. And that's why some people sees you na what is your secret? Ano ba ang sikreto mo, mga collective? Bakit ba pinapagpala ka ng universe when it comes to your finances? Alright? Wow. Ito lang kukuha kong baraha, pero marami na tayong mensahe, no, or energy from you guys. So this is very powerful message for you, no. Meron ditong magbabalik, hihingi ng tulong sa inyo dahil alam niya na isa kayo sa malalapitan niya. So it's up to you guys. Meron kasi ditong hihingi ng tulong dahil may nagkasakit na pamilya o namatayan. It's up to you guys na of course I know most of you here, mga kapatid, na may mabuti kayong puso, kaya binibigyan kayo palagi ng universe ng opportunity dahil whoever ask you any help, no, kung sino itong mga tao na, or marami ng mga tao sa paligid mo, family, friends, something like that, na humihingi ng tulong sa'yo financially, ikaw itong maawain, no? Kahit na minsan na konti lang yung pera mo, nagtatrabaho ka na mabuti. Yeah, you're just doing what's best for you and for everybody. And the universe sees that. Nakikita ni universe na mabuti kang tao, napaka-workaholic mo. Pinagtatrabahuan mo ito na mabuti. And you deserve an opportunity about finances. Alright, so congratulations, mga kapatid. Kaya itong mga taong ito ay nilalapitan kanila and para humingi ng tulong. Meron naman dito na pag-uusapan ka na lang, pinag-uusapan nila yung success mo, pero naman dito na inspired, no? Dahil inspired sila sa iyo at kuni-question nila na napaka blessed ni Collective. Dahil alam nila, yung iba dito, alam nila na napaka mabuti mong tao, kaya binibless ka ni universe financially. Any opportunity that you are guided, to this, through this path. Alright? You are getting closer, mga kapatid, na you will be receiving yung iba dito sa inyo. This message is a new, something about like new, no? Meron dito sa inyo, soon you will be receiving good luck or something big is about to happen for you. Alamin natin kung kailan ito, no? Spirit ka rin, guys, kailan ito mangyayari? Itong good luck, good news, financially, or opportunity na marireceive ng ating mga collective. Kailan ito? Okay. So we have, oh my God. This is letter I. Maybe, iba dito si very specific, no? May letrang I sa pangalan ninyo or very specific, could be initials. Just take what's listeners for you here, mga kapatid. We have here 31, 3 days from now, or 11 days from now. Or you could take this, guys. Check na lang sa, this is like a mirrored number, yung iba dito, or 131, or 113. Check nyo sa inyong angel numbers, anong ibig sabihin nito, kasi meron itong mensahe from the universe. You are receiving a message through this reading. No, may mensahe sa universe dito in this reading. So, anong ibig sabihin nito from the universe? 113, 331, or 311, or 113, or 131. So, check nyo yan. And itabi ko lang itong letter I, no? Kasi nakukuha ko itong 1 sa I, or maybe sa pangalan ninyo or initials, very specific. You have a message from the universe, or this reading is meant to find you, no? Para sa iyo itong reading na ito. Okay, ano pa? Kailan ito mangyayari, mga kapatid? Itong good news about finances, opportunity from the universe. Oh my God, another one. So confirm, wow. Itong reading na ito, napaka-majestic, no? Miracle talaga. Wow, this is like good luck talaga, no? From the universe. Nagsisink in talaga yung reading natin, mga kapatid, and very psychically or spiritually or from the universe talaga, no? Wow, affirm nyo to, guys, 113 or 131 from the universe. Meron kayong mensahe dito, i-research nito. The meaning of, what's the meaning of 131 angel message from the universe, or 113, no, 113 or 311. Okay, so kunin nyo na lang, guys, kung saan kayo makakasunit dito, mga kapatid, because this is a message to find you from the universe, kasi may mensahe sa universe para sa iyo. May opportunity na magaganap sa inyo, guys, within 3 days, 3 hours, 11 days, no? Or not more than 3 months. Alright? There will be something big, no, mangyayari sa inyo financially, help from the universe, tulong ni universe, no? May opportunity mangyayari sa inyo. And that's why some people, once na ma-receive nyo ito yung iba dito, mas, lalong-lalo na't kung may nainggit sa inyo, no? Like again, konti lang naman ang mga negative na tao sa inyo, no? Na, why you are so, parang perfect, no? Pero, like again, instead na ma-inspire sila sa'yo, they are taking you as a villain, or like, masamang tao, or hambog, something like that, in a negative way. Dahil, mas instead na puriin kanila, mas nagiging negative lang sila sa iyo, dahil umiiral yung inggit. So you don't have to worry about these people, because the universe is focusing, or you should just focusing on your finances, nothing else. Kasi hindi natin hawak yung buhay ng ibang tao, no? So focus na lang kayo sa inyong finances, mga kapatid, and you will be guided towards your success, a new opportunity, no, a message, an offer. 3 days from now, or within 3 hours, or 3 o'clock, 11 days, or whenever you watch this reading, maybe 1 hour, or within tomorrow. Lalo-lalo na kung pinapanood mo itong reading nito sa gabi, no? Paggising mo kinabukasan, you will be receiving this opportunity, a good news. Because this is tulong ito ni universe para sa iyo. And God bless you, guys. You are very or truly blessed because you are a working or hardworking person. Alright? So, napaka-workaholic, no? Karamihan dito sa aking mga collective, napaka-workaholic ninyo and you deserve this, mga kapatid. Alamin natin kung sino itong tao na gustong maging ikaw. Alright? Spirit Rangers, sino itong tao na gustong maging katulad ng ating collective? Especially, more on finances na gusto nilang maging katulad, no, ng ating mga collective. Sino ito, Spirit Angels? They are inspired. Okay. So we have here, na inspired siya. Partner na babae, ang inyong partner na babae ay inspired, no? Na-inspired siya sa inyo. Guys, huwag kayong mag-worry o magalit dahil isa lang yung card natin dito. But we have here the bottom, okay? That you guys are very workaholic. So, confirm yan. Ang mga taong ito ay inspired sa'yo dahil napaka-workaholic mo and you are making a good money. Maganda ang takbo, no, or ang pagpasok ng iyong finances because you have been working so hard and you deserve this because like again, the universe is giving you a chance, an opportunity because you deserve this opportunity, no? Ang taong nasa isip mo ngayon, whoever you are watching or thinking, whoever you are thinking right now, confirm, no? Maybe you instinct, no? May instinct kayo na alam mo kung sino tong taong ito na inspired sa iyo or kinokopya ka or nosy, inaalam kung anong sekreto mo. And this, yeah, it's confirmed na siya, no? Siya ang tao na inspired sa iyo or gustong maging ikaw or especially na sa finances, no? Na sana all, something about sana all mapera si collective, sana all malaki ang kinikita ni collective, sana ako din, ganun din ang finances ko, katulad ni collective, something like that. Alright, friend na lalaki, kaibigan mong lalaki, inspired sa'yo, lola, lolo, yeah, they are proud of you, dahil maganda ang takbo ng iyong finances, or maybe your ancestors is helping you financially, no? Kung wala na yung lola at lolo mo, nasa kabilang buhay na, confirm they are helping you financially. Because nakikita nila, no, na ang paghihirap mo ay dapat mag-end na ito. And this is the right time na tulungan ka naman nila financially. Kasi meron dito sa universe nagbibigay ng tulong sa iyo. And this could be also your ancestors or lolo at lola, no? Kapatid na babae, inspired about you, proud of you, or gustong alamin kung paano ka kumikita or why you are so gifted about finances, no? Kapatid na babae and kapitbahay na lalaki, inspired about you. Sabihin na lang natin na inspired, guys, ha? Kasi totoo naman talaga na inspired sila sa iyo. Yung iba naman kasi dito na instead of inspired, kaya nga 'di ba gusto lang kopyahin or malaman kung in what way ka kumikita ng ganitong kalaking pera or maganda ang takbo ng iyong finances, ano? Meron kasi dito na nagiging inggit na, no? So nagiging masama ka sa paningin nila or hambog ka sa paningin nila because hindi nila katanggap-tanggap na inspired lang siya sa inyo. Alright? Okay, yung crush na babae, either crush mo or maybe crush ka niya, no? Ang tawag ito ay may crush sa iyo dahil inspired siya na napaka-workaholic mo and gifted when it comes to your or napaka-effort, no? Napaka-effort mo sa ginagawa mo sa trabaho mo and inspired siya, no? Nagkakaroon siya or nagugustuhan kanya sa ginagawa mong pagpupursige, no, sa trabaho or sa finances mo or whatever you do. It could be also sa school. Yeah, crush na lalaki. So yeah, confirm crush, nagkakaroon siya ng crush sa iyo, babae, lalaki, no? Wala tayong kasi both genders meron tayo dito. So yeah, nagkakagusto itong tao ito sa iyo dahil na-inspired siya sa pagiging workaholic mo, no? So yeah, and meron dito na gustong kopyahin ka, gustong malaman kung paano mo 'to nagawa. It's because you just are very workaholic and focus kayo, no, sa iyong ginagawa. Financially, sa pag-aaral, whatever you do, you are just focusing for your future. And the universe, your ancestors, is giving you a chance, an opportunity, a helping hand, because you deserve this. And that's why these people are so inspired about you. Nagkakaroon sila ng, parang nagbibuild sila ng feelings yung iba dito. Nagkakaroon ng crush feelings, nagiging crush ka niya, dahil nakikita nila yung pagiging, you are being inspirational, na-inspired sila sa'yo. Or ikaw nagiging inspiration nila para to keep going, no? Yeah, for their finances or whatever they do. All right? Because they look up to you, or they sees you very inspirational. Mabuting tao, gifted, matulungin, mapera. And that's why some people keep going back, no? Hihingi ng tulong because you guys are very good, you know, may maganda kayong kalooban, magandang puso. And you don't mind to help these others. Kaya lang yung iba talaga ay para bang nilalamon sila ng inggit, nagiging negative vibe na para sa kanila. But you just don't care. Because for you, you just keep going. Alright? So alamin pa natin kung sino itong gustong alright. Sino pa, Spirit Angels, na-inspired sa ating mga collective? Who else na-inspired sa ating mga collective? One more. OA. Itong taong ito, OA. May pagka-OA itong taong ito. Sorry ha. Inggitero. Wow. Itong taong ito ay inggit. Mayaman. Inspired sila dahil mayaman ka. Mapera. Soulmate. This person is inspired about you and you are dealing with your soulmate. Babae. Okay, girl. Parang malakas dito ang girl. No? Losyang. Itong taong ito ay nalosyang na, siguro problematic, no? Nalosyang siya and you guys look good, or alam nyo, kasi meron dito na you just don't care about your looks right now, but you care about your finances, your future. So, instead na, kasi meron ditong focus ka sa pera mo or sa ginagawa mo. So, like again, the more na ginagawa mo to, the more naman na, it's like nag-a-attract ka ng finances, no, opportunity. So, meron na dito na nalulosyang na, guys, wag naman, be balanced, no? Ingatan nyo rin ang inyong health, inyong kalusugan. Wag tayo mag-focus lang sa career or sa studies, no? Bigyan nyo rin ng focus ang inyong sarili. Dahil hindi ito magpapatuloy kung pinapabayaan nyo ang inyong sarili. So, wag nyo pabayaan ang inyong sarili. Alright? So, meron tayong black. Oh my God, black and white. So this could be about a skin color. All right. Hair salon. Spain or Spanish. Air sign. You could be dealing with the air sign. Medyo malapad. Okay, malapad ang labi. Okay. Chef. You could be dealing with chef or sa kusina or mestizo, foreigner. So, inspired itong taong ito dahil it's not about the age doesn't matter or skin doesn't matter or the ethnicity doesn't matter, but this person sees you very inspirable, no? Workaholic, okay? And congratulations mga kapatid, because ang maraming mga tao sa paligid ninyo ay na-inspired, especially loved ones from the heaven. And that's why they are giving you a helping hand, no? Pagtutulungan or tutulungan kanila financially dahil deserve mo naman ito. And that's why more people nag-attract sa iyo at nakikita nila na nag-improve ang iyong finances and or you are doing well financially and they are so proud of you and they want to be like you. Gusto nilang tularan ka. And congratulations and keep going, continue nyo lang. Don't worry about people na yung iba dito na nainggit sa inyo. Alright? Because right now you are attracting more help and guidance from the universe, from your ancestors. And continue on praying about your ancestors, because they are there watching you and helping you. Alright? Especially to the universe. Alright? Believe in yourself and believe in the universe. Alright? So hanggang dito na mga kapatid. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys on my next reading. And please leave your comment below what do you think about this reading. And pasensya na dahil hindi po ako active palagi sa aking social media. It takes time for me na makarespond sa inyo. Alright? So, I do hope naintindihan nyo rin ako. And I love you guys and I hope to see you guys on my next reading. Bye!